Welcome my friends. In this video I'm going to solve a very common problem which may faced by in the process of preparing a bootable USB flash drive or an SD card from an Ubuntu operating system. So let me show you the error message that I have faced while preparing a bootable micro SD card. So you can see that the message is showing that installation failed, exit code 256, and the error message is target device is busy, please make sure you mount all files systems. This is showing because it's asking for mounting of that device that you have to make bootable. So we cannot make bootable directly through Ubuntu, so we have to install a software called Gparted. You can download it from the Ubuntu softwares. Now open that software. You can see there are so many partitions showing here. Now we have to unmount that pen drive or that SD card that we want to make bootable. So select that one, click on it, and right click and click on unmount. Now we can continue the process of bootable pen drive. You can see there is no error this time. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to be in touch with us, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you.